to Cooking with Meg. Today we're going to make a fun spring Eastery dessert. So these are called cake batter cookies. You're going to use a box of cake batter. So it could be funfetti, that I just chose that yesterday because that's what they had. It could be white cake too. I've never tried chocolate, but you probably could use that also. So you're going to want to have a box of this. You're going to need some we're going to use spring colored M&Ms, but you can use mini M&Ms also. Sprinkles. Again, I like to buy the holiday jars. So they have lots of cute little choices. I have these in all different seasons. Cooking oil, a glass baking sheet, cooking spray, and then you're going to want a 1 cup measuring cup and a 1/3 cup measuring cup. And you're going to need your tablespoons. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to open my mix. We're going to open our mix. Dump it in your mixing bowl. Set that out to the side. Oh, and you need 2 eggs. I forgot about those. I had those set back so I didn't bump into them. So you're going to mix your eggs in your mix. So lightly hit it on the counter. And then you're going to use your hands to break the egg apart gently. And 2. So there's some counting involved with this recipe, parents, that makes it a little bit more educational. If you have eggs on your hands, you're going to want to wash the egg off. I'm going to add my oil, so I need a 1/3 cup. So your 1/3. We're going to pour that in all the way to the top, and then carefully pour it into your mixture. And then I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons full of sprinkles. We're going to use these cute little bunny sprinkles today. But they don't seem to really want to come out very well. We're going to call that 1. And then we'll do just the fun colored sprinkles that are pinks and greens and yellow. They might come out a little easier, or they might not. Okay. So you've added all your ingredients except your M&Ms. You're going to save those for last. Then we need to stir it up. I'm going to use my whisk. And I'm going to whisk it all together so that everything is unseparated. All right. Now you're going to want to spray your pan. You're going to set your oven, sorry, I forgot about that, to 350. So you're going to want to spray your glass baking pan. And then you're going to take, you can use an ice cream scooper. I like to use my measuring spoons and scoop out some dough. And you're going to want to place it down in the pan. So you want to make like 1-inch balls, and then you're going to take your M&Ms and you're going to press 3 into the top of each cookie. So you're going to do that the whole time until all of your batter is in your pan. And then you're going to want to bake them 7 to 8 minutes, no longer. Because of the cake batter, it's a little different than a cookie mix, so it dries out quickly. So you only want to bake your cookies for 7 to 8 minutes. All right, this is Cooking with Meg. Have a great day.